Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to understand the meaning of titration student. Okay, so many students are confused. Those who did not see the lab, didn't perform the practical, so they must be facing the problem. For them, let us try to I am trying to explain somewhat the meaning of titration. Student, if you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So this is the titration. Okay student, a titration, we are titrating known solution with unknown. Okay, known to unknown. So what they are saying, the process of addition of known solution, the process of addition of known solution from the burette to the measured volume, measured volume of solution of the substance to be estimated until the reaction between the two is just completed, is called the titration. So dear student, the meaning of this is, they are saying we have a burette. Okay, this is the burette. Suppose this is the burette. In this burette, there is known solution is there. Okay, known solution, right student? And we are having that is unknown solution. This is the unknown solution. Okay, unknown solution, unknown solution. Only volume is known. Suppose 250 ml is there, 250 ml. Okay, अब this is the point are there student, on this there is the point is mentioned. Okay, so when the color is getting changed student or decolorizing, okay, at that time the reaction will finished. Okay, that is what is known as titration. So let us see again student, you try to understand the process of addition of known solution. So which is known student, this is the addition of known solution to where student, to unknown solution. Volume is known, then they are saying from the burette. Okay, this is the burette student, burette, this is the burette, to the measured volume of the solution of substance to be estimated until the reaction between two is just complete is termed as titration. Thus a titration involves two solutions. What are the solution student? That is unknown solution and known solution, or you can say that is standard solution. Next point is there student, titrant. Unknown solution, known solution. Next point is titrant. The reagent or substance whose solution is employed to estimate the concentration of unknown solution is termed as titrant. What is student? Whatever you are taking in burette, that is what is known as student titrant. Okay, there are two types are reagents of titrants are there. Once more you can read out student, they are saying the reagent or substance whose solution is employed to estimate, whose solution is employed to estimate the concentration of unknown solution. The concentration of unknown solution is termed as titrant. The reagent or substance whose solution is employed to estimate the concentration of unknown solution. So which is unknown solution? This is unknown solution. Okay, is termed as titrant. So what is titrant? Whatever you are taking student in the burette, that is what is known as titrant. So this is our the titration, meaning of titration. See student, one question is, why does that, what does titration means? Titration, process of chemical analysis in which quantity of some constituents of sample is determined by adding the measured sample and exactly known quantity of another substance with which the desired constituent react in the definite known proportion. Why do we titrate? The purpose of titration is to determine an unknown concentration in a sample using an analytical method. Okay, what you are doing student, you need to find out the concentration of unknown solution. The purpose of titration is to determine an unknown concentration is a sample using an analytical method. When the titration reaches an end point, the amount of titrant is recorded and used to calculate the unknown concentration. So when the titration reaches the end point, the amount of titrant is recorded and used to calculate the unknown concentration So why do we doing that is a titration, student, to get to know about the concentration of unknown solution. Thank you so much for watching, friends.